Factor the polynomial completely. So first let's look, is there a greatest common factor here? Well, no, there's nothing I can factor out of both of those. But I do recognize that these are both perfect cubes, 27x cubed and 64. So what I'm going to use is the a cubed plus b cubed. I know a cubed plus b cubed factors to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. The way that I remember this is when I have a cubed plus b cubed, like we do in this case, I know the first one is just going to be plus, so a plus b. The second sign is opposite of the first sign. So since this was plus, the second sign will be minus. And then the third sign is always positive. Okay? We have a squared then minus a times b and then plus b squared. So if you're using this method, it can be helpful to figure out what is the cube root of 27x cubed. So basically, what would a be in this case? So a would be 3x. B would be 4. Because we know 3x times 3x times 3x equals 27x cubed. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. So this would be the cube root of 27x cubed and the cube root of 64. So let's go ahead and factor them. So we get 3x plus 4. We have a squared, which would be 3x times 3x, or 9x squared. Our second sign is the opposite, so that was plus. This will be minus. We have 3x times 4, or 12x, and then plus b squared, which would be 4 squared, or 16. Now, if you have a hard time remembering this formula in the correct way, I really, really highly recommend multiplying this out and making sure it works out to be 27x cubed plus 64. Anytime you're factoring, it's really a good idea to multiply it out so that you can check that you factored correctly.